How do I match the color of my original stucco when I have repairs done to my stucco?
Stucco is one of the trickiest things to match, infamously tricky to match. And that is why we created our custom color matching vehicle. Most stucco companies, in fact, every other stucco company in the state of Colorado, will take a sample from your home or commercial building or multifamily complex, and they'll go take it to the manufacturer, and the manufacturer will match it there, and they'll match it with the small sample that they were given, and they will match it under fluorescent lighting. But we decided a long time ago that wasn't good enough. And so we will send somebody out to your home to match your stucco in the repair area. So whatever the stucco looks like on that side of the home, we will match your stucco there. Now, one thing that I always state is that if you've ever painted a house and you paint over an area that you just painted with the exact same color, that can look different. It looks darker just from the very fact that you painted there before. And so that is what makes stucco so tricky, is that even when we have what can be the exact same color, it'll look different just after we put it on the home itself.